Ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the Journal of Gay Science with Kai Rodriguez. Today we're going to talk about a study that was conducted in 2008 by Dr. PhD in psychology, Bahlburg. The study was conducted with the support of Columbia University and the New York State Psychiatrist Institute. The focus was to understand sexual orientation in women with congenital adrenal hyperplasia, which is also known as CAH. CAH is caused by a genetic mutation that leads to increased androgen exposure before birth. It may cause ambiguous genitalia of females when they're born. Adrenal glands are glands on the top of the kidneys that produces hormones such as androgens. Androgens are hormones that can affect the sexual development, and it includes testosterone. Ambiguous genitalia is when a baby is born and the genitalia is not clearly male or female. Testosterone is a masculinizing hormone that is produced by adrenal glands and testes. The study objective was to understand if exposure to hormones before birth can influence sexual orientation. To collect data, it was conducted behavior analysis and identity assessment to better understand patterns of attraction, identity, and behavior. For that, they used a sample of more than 100 women with CAH and compared with more than 100 women without CAH. The results were the following. From 30 to 40% women with CAH reported same-sex attraction. It is way more when compared to 5 to 10% of general population. In addition to that, we saw 3 to 6 times more likelihood. It was also noticed a more male-typical behavior. The findings then suggest that prenatal hormone exposure, especially testosterone, can influence one's sexual orientation. However, we still have to look at the interplay between genetics, environment, and hormones.